American Silicon Products Incorporated is one of the largest global suppliers of silicon test wafer reclaim and polishing services for the semiconductor industry. With full reclaim facilities in Providence, Rhode Island, Garland, Texas, Helmond, the Netherlands, and Singapore. As a wholly owned subsidiary of Semiconductor Packaging Materials Corporation, listed on the NASDAQ as SEMX, ASP has the international presence, facilities, and financial resources to provide state-of-the-art specifications for your full reclaim and polishing needs. Since opening our doors in 1985, ASP has made a strong commitment to customer service, on-time delivery, efficient process manufacturing through minimum non-value-added labor, cycle time reduction, improved workflow, SPC controls, quality management, and overall cost effectiveness. The result has made ASP the largest U.S. supplier of wafer reclaim services for the semiconductor industry. In addition to full reclaim, ASP also offers the following: volume polishing services for virgin material, strip and clean service, kiss polish service. These additional services require an acute awareness of the necessity for wafer accountability and extremely high resulting yields. ASP processes over 250,000 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch N+, N-, P+, P-, and copper film wafers per month. 8-inch wafers account for almost 1/2 of the monthly total, with plans to expand by late 1998. ASP is currently processing 300 millimeter wafers in 100 lot size, and by the end of 1999 will be processing 300 millimeter in high volume. The goal of reclaim is to provide our customers multiple uses of each test wafer by providing low silicon removal and prime test wafer level metal and particle specifications. As this video is produced in December of 1997, typical specifications for 200 millimeter reclaim are 50 particles at 0.16 microns, 100 particles at 0.13 microns. Typical trace metals less than 5e to the 10th. Metals data is verified by pulling samples several times each week and sending them to IBM's analytical labs in New York. This data is available to our customers. The reclaim process begins at incoming, where tight controls are maintained to ensure proper wafer counting, marking, storing, and staging for reclaim processing. Our process begins at sort. Our inspection technicians are highly trained and know that our customers want minimum silicon removal. Along with removing non-reclaimable wafers, the inspectors must measure starting thickness and identify nitrides, oxides, metals, and films. The wafers are sorted for initial chemical processing and sent to strip or lap, then etched chemically, resulting in removal of these foreign substances. The initial polishing step is very carefully designed to match the customer's thickness spec. Our process requires multiple polishes, and 100% inspection is done between each step. State-of-the-art ADE gauges are used prior to the final polish that measure thickness, resistivity, type, flatness, bow, warp, etc., and are compared to the customer requirements. Additionally, if required, our lumonic laser marking equipment may be utilized during this part of the process flow. The wafers are now ready for the critical Class 10 clean room area, where cleaning, scrubbing, and final packaging are done. Here, particles and metals are removed to meet the customer specification, and the wafers are packaged in cassettes and sealed for shipping. The first step is the RCA chemistry clean sinks. where the wafers are cleaned according to strict industry standards to remove all metals and organics. The wafers are then scrubbed for particle removal, 100% visually inspected for haze, scratches, etc., then scrubbed again and checked on the 10-core 6220 surf scan equipment. The wafers are then automatically placed in M-Pack Ultra-Pack cassettes. The technician then seals the cassettes with a poly inner bag, followed by a metallized outer bag. The bags are properly labeled, then prepared for shipping along with COCs and yield reports. ASP's technology roadmap clearly requires us to be prepared for the 300mm wafer emergence over the next few years. Significant investment has already been made in equipment and clean room facilities. We are currently processing small lots of 300mm wafers and are taking delivery of a 10-core SP1 early in 1998. Our new clean rooms are already installed and include a 2-bay Class 10 and a 2-bay Class 1 facility. Our current DI water system is new and designed to meet the most demanding fab requirements. This high-volume E1 semi-grade water system includes 18.2 mega-ohm water with TOCs less than 3 parts per billion. This has allowed ASP to achieve the particle performance and processing cleanliness needed now and for the future 300mm needs. As a part of our flexible customer orientation, ASP's sales support, and technical support staff is a happy, dedicated, helpful group that prides and measures themselves on low customer complaints and on-time delivery. Sales support meets every day with manufacturing planning so that our customers can get real-time delivery quotes and order status information at any time. Since we told our manufacturing team that we are making this tape to show our customers, they would like to let you know that your business is important to them. The ASP team is ready now and is planning for the future demands from the semiconductor industry.